In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube video automatic back problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search YouTube and tap on it. Update if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now tap on permission, allow all permission. Now open YouTube app. Hello. Now play any video. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube video automatic back problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.